We can start whenever we want.
Hey, how about the real Rabbid Teddy?
What?
We're okay, man.
The worst intro
Autism
ever.
speaks, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, I am so fucking excited right now.
Yeah,
for
excited.
one, this game.
Okay.
This game. I'm pretty excited for this game. 2, fucking Halloween is right around the corner. This is my favorite time of year is fall.
Mine too. I like it.
I'm just like, it's autumn. I just want to shove leaves in my ass. Like, I love it.
Shove leaves in my ass.
Just like, fill it all full of pumpkin spice. Just get it all, ram it in there.
Puts me in the mood.
Just pumpkin spice everything. Just put it on my skin.
Welcome to White Noise 2!
It puts the pumpkin spice on its skin or it gets toast again.
We haven't played White Noise 1, but we're playing second one.
Yeah, we're pieces of shit. This is like people who only play
Why?
Left 4 Dead 1.
We like...
Yeah,
really.
Or 2, I mean.
We like playing... we like White Noise 1, right?
I liked it a lot. Yeah, this one's terrifying.
I never played it, so this is going to be a totally new experience for me.
Alright, well,
you're gonna shit your pants.
Have a great time. The original one, I believe you looked at stat... Was she, like, retarded?
You're gonna want to do solo play.
She does look like she's got slight downs.
No, dude, that's what I did notice when I started this game. Their faces are funny as fuck.
Oh, they look like some like weird Wes Craven mashup, because that guy in the back looks like he's part werewolf or something.
No, they
Game
look... of Thrones
yeah, this is that weird like animation people like to do.
No,
so what do we want to
look-
find a game, quick game?
Solo play.
Solo play, yeah.
Okay.
They look like that because their parents fucked their cousins. And then,
Jesus Christ, wrong turn too.
Which
Oh,
one?
dude,
Do the
hospitals
hospital
are scary.
Yeah, do the hospital one.
Hospitals are always scary.
St. John's, bro.
Yep.
Yeah.
I've only done
Jason just got surgery there. This is hitting me right in the feels.
So in this game, you're just gonna.
Oh,
be
look, I'm a
the
douchebag.
guy, running away from the monster.
Okay, we got metrosexual.
All right.
We got...
Oh, dude, I think I should be pumpkin spice here.
Pumpkin spice.
I love Autumn. She probably shoves leaves in her ass too. I mean, this could be meant to be. I'm gonna be pumpkin spice here.
Hold on. It says, office lady by day, daring investigator by night. Anna
So
is
you're a
very
prostitute.
aware of the fact that you only live once and she intends to enjoy hers to the limit.
YOLO! This is my girl. This is my girl. I gotta be here. I can't be
You can't be...
I can't be Knives here from Scott Pilgrim. I gotta be pumpkin spice with her sports draft.
Sports jack, because it's the only thing on mine. Shut up!
She even
All right,
talks
dude.
like a basic.
She's a basic.
Simple yet trusted.
Oh, with my basic flashlight.
She's like, let me get my selfie stick out.
Let's shove leaves in my ass.
Oh fuck,
All
there's
right.
a monster.
We're playing White Noise Dose.
Fuck me.
It's like, actually, monster, I have a boyfriend.
No, she's gonna be the type of girl that's be like, oh, you're so cute. Oh, but I have a boyfriend. No,
So in the first White
Then the
Noise,
monster gets
you
in
like
a-
walked around until you died. I
So
didn't
it's
really
the same
find-
basic thing. You gotta find the tapes.
So it's real life.
There were tapes in White Noise 1? I just walked around until I died. I didn't even find
You had to find.
anything.
It's like Slender. You gotta find.
Find the
tapes.
clues,
Really?
avoid the creature.
You'll know when you're around a tape. When you're near a tape, because it'll start.
Is it the same creature where it has like the long tongue it puts in your butthole?
It's
and
different. You can have different monsters in this.
It tickle your butt with a carrot.
It sounds like Diddles the clown.
It doesn't like light, and your flashlight can die. So make sure you get badges.
Oh,
And you have abilities in this one too. Like the compass will show you if you're near a clue. So it's probably in the next room. You'll know when you're near one. It'll start making like a radio sound.
Do. Goldfish.
What a lovely hospital. Just throwing that out there.
This is very clean. I like it.
What the fuck is that?
B
What is that? No.
or X.
Oh, that's how you turn it on.
Hit
What
X.
is that? X.
All right, so it's in this area. That might be it. That's it right
Yeah,
there.
that's it.
That's the tape.
Woo!
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Oh, I stunned this bitch ass!
Flashlight on.
I can't! What the fuck just happened?
Did it just like...
Found it, teleported
it
to
just
another
fucking
place.
diddled my bits. What the fuck?
It just started like eating you out?
Yeah.
Yeah, just I threw that art like that little glow stick and he's like oh, my decibels.
You gotta find help.
Oh god, I'm fucking limping here, bleeding for 5 days. That was. God damn it! I
He's
keep
gonna
fucking
find
throwing
you.
glow sticks everywhere. I'm the worst.
I would keep that on.
I'm the.
Because that's what scares him away.
Son of a bitch.
Sir, your phone's ringing.
Mm.
Your wife has just been found in a car accident.
I'm a girl.
Oh yeah.
Well,
They could be lesbians.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say this game's pretty progressive. Bet you this girl's name is like.
It's Anna.
It is Anna.
It's pretty basic. I was gonna say Karen.
Stacy.
That's my second guess. This shows you how much I fucking pay attention. I'm a bad person.
My name's Anna. Okay, Stacy.
Okay, I'm not
Shut up, Karen.
Fuck you, Karen. I feel like if I was like here, I'd be more concerned about like a little ghost baby than a creature thing.
Maybe. But you're fucked either way, so. He goes around the corner.
Yeah.
I think it's a tape right there.
Shit, I know my tactics.
Oh, no, it's not.
Is that a
walkie-talkie.
Bro, can I
Pick
make
up
a
that transmitter, boy?
Whoa.
Hell yeah.
I keep doing stuff on accident.
Oh.
Hit that Overwatch ability. Be like, Bloop, where's that clue? Blue. Blue, where is that
She's
clue?
like tripping balls.
The creature, run for your life.
Run for your life.
There you go, turn around.
Alright.
Yeah, bitch, come at me, fam! What? Yeah,
It's just disabling him, it's not gonna kill him, you
Oh,
gotta run!
White noise this dick in your ass, son.
You're gonna have to find batteries soon.
Just keep throwing these glow sticks. Fuck my life.
Oh god, he's right behind you, fucked. You're so fucked.
Run away, run away. This room looks promising.
Hell yeah. There's
It's
like,
the one from the picture, so it has to be. And it's not.
There's a lot of useless equipment in here.
So
Like, hi, we're gonna YouTube ourselves.
Wait, it said A.
Oh. Pick up medkit. Hey,
He's
look at
right
that.
there.
Hey.
Oh,
look at that.
you-
Wow, weird.
Run.
Get in it.
Turn off the flashlight. Hell yeah.
Turn
Alright.
around. He's there. He's always watching.
He's going to bite your butt.
I'm not gonna lie, this is a lot more tense and scary than the new Slender game.
What in the
What
dicks
the
is
fuck
that?
is that?
It's one of his relics.
Oh my god.
Oh, what is this?
What?
Jeepers
He's got
Creepers?
fucking-
He's right there.
There's a lot of hentai in this game. I don't like it.
The fuck?
Keep seeing.
There's like spores throughout the air. All this cancer.
Fucking Jeepers Creepers, motherfucker. The
You can get different monsters that look more terrifying. Even the original one you can get. Oh, you should use your med kit.
I was
Yeah.
trying to,
Yeah,
and then
you're
I
just
was
picking
getting
that
my
shit up.
bits diddled, and I was fucking.
LB.
Use LB to use that shit.
I did.
Oh, he's right behind you.
Of course he is.
Look behind you.
He just got like how he just keeps throwing the fucking like glow
They
sticks.
work good. How many does this bitch got though?
You gotta keep
Unlimited. You have to
refreshing.
recharge though.
Yeah, your ability.
Your ability.
You're a superhero by now. You can throw. Your only
So-
superpower is throwing glow sticks.
Why are these
The
candles
Overwatch
lit?
horror.
There's literally a body right there.
Yep.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh, he's eating you out again.
Diddle these bits, bitch!
Go find another.
I just threw a fucking glow stick in his face. I'm like,
You got good tits.
Tastes like pumpkin spice.
oh, fuck. Oh. Tastes like pumpkin spice and a C average through high school.
Tastes like daddy issues.
Fuck me dead.
He's like, I planned.
You have your asshole licked by
You
a
like
creature.
guys with big mouths and double chins.
Garrison's the guy for you.
Just shows a picture of Garrison's body, but with the fucking monster's head. The monster's body with Garrison's head.
Oh god.
I need.
This whole episode became a dating service for Garrison. Hi, I'm single and desperate.
And ready to mingle.
Ready to mingle.
He wants your daddy issues.
I want you to shove leaves in my ass punch. I keep walking in circles. I'm like that retard in the scary movies.
Are you wearing your t-shirt, AJ?
No, I'm not.
I'm waiting for.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting I have this Crumpus.
We need to get
Crumpus.
Garrison a T-shirt.
Yeah, we do.
A one of a kind.
One of a kind T-shirt that says
Right,
"I'm
take
Player
a t-shirt.
3."
I'm player 3.
It's just instead of this picture, he's gonna wear the one of us whipping him and shit.
Yeah,
and riding him.
I'll totally do that.
That should be the new shirt. I like it.
It's just a mount.
Oh, what in the fucking dicks?
That'll be Garrison's
stand
one of a kind
around.
Rabbid Teddy Gaming shirt.
Now selling on eBay for 20 million.
20 mil.
That's how G-Man Powell.
You cannot get the audience cannot get Rabbid Teddy Gaming T-shirts.
What in
Well,
the
okay.
fucking shit, man? This is getting.
OCD. Pick up battery when you
When
don't
you
need
don't
it.
need it.
Hey,
Hey, the game's
I'm
calling
gonna
you
shove this
fucking
battery in
dick.
my ass. How many fucking fucks?
He's spawning relics, so they like fuck up your
What a
camera and shit.
douche canoe.
What a dickhead.
How does he spawn?
Oh, hey, look.
Tactical glow stick.
Pocket sand.
Pocket sand.
Pockets.
Be gone from me! Be gone from me! The power of Christ compels me! Whoa, there's so many fucking relics! How do I get the fucking... I'm surrounded by fuckery!
You just die.
Oh man, maybe if I wasn't such a nosy white bitch, I wouldn't be in this situation. Maybe the past.
I wish they have like a DLC.
Maybe the past is supposed to stay dead, Karen.
I hope they have like a DLC map where it's just the inside of a Starbucks.
Yeah.
So why aren't we making that mod? It's like instead of the creature, it's just pumpkin spice chasing you down.
It's a pumpkin spice latte.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, these relics are everywhere.
I think there's a way to destroy them, but I can't remember.
Pepperidge Farm members.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh, now,
I
now
accidentally-
he knows where you're at.
I found one clue. I'm the most useless
Oh.
reporter ever.
Sounded like when you
Use
hit
your
that button.
compass.
I keep forgetting about that existed.
It's in that room. Yeah, that room.
He's like, I just gotta be
I'm
sure.
gonna flashbang every fucking room. Oh shit! Power of Christ compels you!
Go away, Satan!
Be gone from me, Father.
Father.
It's a wall!
Oh, take that ass! Oh shit, never mind.
When you're so stressed out, you just start running into a wall.
I like real life glitches.
I'm trying to imagine us in this room.
I'm
in a
looking
real
at
scenario
the
like this.
laptop, seeing like the lag, and look how dumb I am. Like, whoa!
I'm trying to imagine us in a real scenario like this.
You would see the biggest man you've ever met in your life crying like a
I
fucking.
can just see you
2-year-old.
running down a hall.
Like, Garrison, you okay? No, that's totally urine in my pants.
No, I am pissing myself. I wouldn't go back. He's right there.
Wait, why? What are you? Are you omnipotent?
Oh no, you're gone!
I am single and desperate.
Dad, that's it.
Christ on a cracker.
Oh! It's a flashbang! You can pick up fucking
It's like a
flashbang!
bitch!
That's what that was?
I thought it said pick up flashbang.
It might have been a flashlight recharge.
Yeah, it might have been. Actually, it probably, yeah, it is. Pick up flashbang. Oh, they have military fucking shit in this hospital. You never know when the doctors might need a flashbang for intruders.
Proceeds to go back.
He's
in the
escaping surgery.
area.
He's the flashbang.
He's escaping the site. Well, there was a thing in there I needed.
It's right there. I think that thing.
You can't use that flashlight. Don't worry. I'm a doctor.
I'm a
I'm
doctor.
a doctor.
Eh.
Because flashbang! We're flashbangs!
That's fucking amazing!
Crazy! Oh.
I used it!
Gotcha.
What is the name? Olaf? Olaf?
Old cough.
Oh. Wait,
You're one sexy looking motherfucker.
Jesus Christ.
Investigators have been devoured.
Alright, so we're gonna go on a pause and we're gonna set up a waste.
That game was amazing. That was fun.
Alright. Fucking.
Look! It follows your path.
Yeah. That's what I love about this game.
Look! It's like fucking circles, Garrison, you idiot.
I didn't go all.
I went in a fucking huge circle.
Probably didn't go to any part of the fucking
It looks like a
environment.
fucking Etch-a-Sketch. I should try drawing a dick next time.
37 light sticks thrown.
It's like a mouse screaming. You did. You just went circles.
Fucking investigate half of the fucking thing.
Fuck you guys.
You might have. There's still a lot of
Hey, you died right there.
Yeah, you were in the corner the whole time of the house.
Jesus Christ. I got so turned around.
Alright, I guess we're pausing.
I love you.